Selling your home is a big deal. It can be exciting. You're moving on to something new. Maybe a bigger house, maybe a new city. It's a fresh start. But selling can also feel scary. You want the best price? You want a smooth sale? Don't worry. With the right plan, you'll be celebrating with champagne in no time. Remember, your house is your castle. You've made great memories there. Now it's time to showcase your castle and find the perfect buyer. First things first. Let's get your house ready for its close-up. Start with a deep clean. A clean house looks bigger and brighter. People can imagine themselves living there. Don't forget the windows. Sparkling windows let in more light. Next, tackle small repairs. A leaky faucet or a squeaky door can be a turn-off. These little fixes show buyers that you've taken good care of your home. Curb appeal is crucial. It's your home's first impression. Trim the bushes, mow the lawn. A bright welcome mat and some flowers go a long way. Inside, let's stage. Staging makes your home look its best. Clear clutter. Arrange furniture to make rooms look larger. Good lighting is key. Don't forget amazing photos. Buyers look at photos first. Hire a pro if you can. Great photos mean more buyers and a quicker sale. Choosing the right agent is important. You want someone who knows your neighborhood, someone who listens to you. Get referrals. Interview a few agents. Find one who makes you feel confident. Negotiating the best deal takes skill. Your agent will help you. They know the market. They'll fight for you. Be prepared to negotiate. Be flexible. But don't be afraid to walk away if you're not comfortable. Selling your home is a journey. But with the right preparation and a positive attitude, you'll be saying sold in no time